Hello everyone. I know it's been a long time. 4 years. 4 years since I uploaded anything serious on this channel. 4 years since Physics World Aman Patel went silent. But today that silence ends because today the channel is reborn as Aman Edge Physics. 4 years is not a small time. Life changed, priorities changed, challenges came, confidence कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे. I had moments when I thought, Aman, maybe this chapter is over. But then there were nights when I would still open my old videos, read old comments, and realize physics never leaves you. Teaching never leaves you. And the people who once trusted your explanations, they never really leave. Small emotional pause. Just a कुछ भी नहीं, only an emotional pause था. And that's when it hit me. This channel deserves a comeback. I deserve a comeback. So from today, Physics World Aman Patel, the channel that started my teaching journey, takes a new form. A mature form, a stronger form, a clearer purpose. Welcome to Aman Edge Physics. Because now the goal is not just to teach physics, the goal is to give you an edge in concepts, in exams, in discipline, in life, everywhere. This channel is not starting from zero, it's restarting from my experiences. 4 years के गैप के बाद वापस आना इजी नहीं होता. करेज चाहिए होता है. सेल्फ डाउट तोड़ना पड़ता है. You need to look your own failures in the eye and say, I will try again. And if you have ever taken a long break from studies, a long break from your dreams, a long break from the version of you who was excited, then listen carefully. Breaks don't end your journey. Giving up does. And today I am not giving up. I am coming back stronger than ever. Do you know what changed modern physics forever? A simple observation that light can knock out electrons only if it has enough frequency. This is the photoelectric effect. Classical theory failed, logic failed, but Einstein did not stop. He returned with a new idea and he changed the world. That's what comebacks do. They don't continue the old story, they start a new one. And this is the beginning of my new story too. In Aman Edge Physics, everything changes now. New structured course, quantum mechanics from zero, photoelectric effects onwards. As well as gradually we will study about mathematical physics, as well as classical dynamics, electrodynamics, and deep into the net gate guidance. Daily 2 hour sessions, 75-day master plan for specially for quantum mechanics, concept clarity plus exam sharpness. This time I am not teaching for algorithm, not for numbers, not for popularity. I am teaching because this is who I am. Before I end, I want to say something from the depth of my heart. 4 years ago, I paused. Today, I press play again. And if you also paused your life, your goals, your dreams, then let this channel be your reminder. You can restart anytime, even after 4 years, even after 10, because it's not about how long you stop, it's about how strongly you return. And I am choosing to return with everything I have. Deep breath. Welcome back to Aman Edge Physics, the comeback of a teacher, the rebirth of a channel, and maybe a restart for you too. So subscribe the channel because tomorrow we begin on our first official lecture on quantum mechanics, and this time we rise together. This is Aman signing up. Let's build your edge, and again, thank you to all.